Assalamualaikum and a lovely morning to all of my students and whoever is watching this video right now. I hope and pray that you all are feeling great. You are super energetic and you have started your day with full energy. So another beautiful day ahead. Yeah, a little hot, sunny, bright day. So it looks beautiful, but from the window, like it's hot outside. So another beautiful day. Every day has something new in it for us, as I always say, and we need to explore that. There is something good we can do. There's something good we can give to somebody. We have to distribute good things, happiness, and positivity. So this is our new day today. So we are going to start with literacy, and we are doing alphabets. We're almost done with alphabets, so we are just completing them. So we are going to do that today, right? So we will be needing our alphabet fun book now, as we do usually. So all of you take out your alphabet fun book A to Z, and we are going to do the second last letter today. Yes, second last letter of the alphabets. Okay, right. Yeah, all of you take out the book and take out page number 34. Yes, page number 34. There's something which you really like to play with. I hope you all know about this. Yeah, what is it? It's a yo-yo. Yes, it's called a yo-yo. It's a round toy, round thing, and it's attached with a string. When you pull the string, it goes up and down, right? When you pull the string, this rotates and goes up and down. So, oh, you all know that? Okay, that's lovely. So Y is for yo-yo. That's great. Y is for yo-yo. So first of all, we are going to do small y, right? So come up on page number 33 over here. Yes. Now, see, this looks like U, small u, right? If you look at this looks like small u. And if there's a small curve, like there is an G, so this becomes Y, right? So you're just going to add a little curved line over here to make it Y, right? So there are also two strokes. One, two, yes. One, two, one, two, yes. So you all do the same with the help of your fingers. Yes, do the same. One, two, one, two, one, and two. That is great. So now you are going to take out your lead pencils. Yes, take out your lead pencils and put the book flat on the table like this and sit properly. And now you're going to start tracing. Now, first of all, you're going to trace the big Y. One, and then two. One and two, right? Okay, now with the help of your lead pencils, start tracing. Yes, start tracing. Yeah. So I'll give you a minute so you can complete your tracing, right? Okay, so have you all done that? This big Y, one, two, one, two, one, two. Yes, that's great. Super great. Yeah, please do that. And push a little harder, a little, so that will be obvious. The line will be obvious when you're tracing. So we'll be able to see that. Right? Okay, yes. One and then two. Okay, you've done? Okay, that's great. Now come up on this, the second one. So you just write you're just going to trace the first line over here. So starting from here, you're going to go like this, and then like this, and then like this, right? Okay, now complete the first line only. Yeah, the second you can do for your homework later. Yes. Yeah, easy. This and this, this and this, this, right? That's great. Okay, right. Now there are like some more yo-yos here. Can you see them? There are like how many? One, two, three, four, five, and six. Now what does this say? They say that color the yo-yos with the letter Y. So yo-yos are all colorful. They can be of any color of your choice. They're any color of like whatever is favorite of yours, whatever you want to color. So you're going to only color the yo-yos which has Y on it, right? Now let's see how many yo-yos have Y on it. Now look at it carefully. Yes, look at it carefully. Okay, yes. Now tell me how many yo-yos have Y on it. Yes, there are three yo-yos who has Y on it. That's great. That's great. That's great. This is number one, two, and three. Okay. What you can do is you can color Y with different color and then the yo-yo with the different color. That will even look nice. Okay. But this you're going to do later on because we have to do the other exercise of Y as well, right? So for that, you will be needing your alphabet fun book N to Z, the capital one. Yeah, please take out this one. Yes, you can do the coloring like for your homework. Color the yo-yos in your homework, right? So we are going to do the capital Y now, okay? So in this book, you are going to take out page number 30. Yes, please take out page number 30. Yes. Okay, now we are here on this page. This says Y for yacht. We did yo-yo, Y for yo-yo, and now we are doing Y for yacht. Yacht. Yeah, this is yacht, right? With this is called the yacht, and we also have like the boat is a little different from this, right? So this we have yacht over here, right? Now have a look at this capital Y. It's a little, this is different from the small y. Small y had two strokes, but this has three. It says one, two, and three, right? One, two, and three. Now, if you look at it, this from behind this looks like we. Yes, this looks like we. But this is capital Y. And this has three strokes. So you're going to start from here. One, two, three, right? One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, and three. Yes. Okay. Now, all of you, with the help of your lead pencils, you're going to trace the capital Y. Yes. Please trace the capital Y over here. Put the book flat on the table and sit properly, nicely, so you can write, so you can trace well. Yes, now hold the pencil like this in these two fingers and then lock it with your thumb. So now you're going to trace. Yes. One, two, three. Very nice. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right? That's good. Okay. Yes. Do it a little, push your pencil a little harder so that will be very clear and obvious. Okay, you've done that? Okay, that's great. That's great. Now you come over here. Yes. Now you see, now you are going to trace this one. They're all connected over here. 1, 2, and 3. Right? 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now, yes, with the help of lead pencils, we're going to trace them. Yes, this is the second last alphabet of our of all the alphabets from A to Z. Yes, so Y is the second last letter of the alphabets. So okay, that's easy for you. Okay, now trace it nicely. Stay on the line. Don't go off the line. No need to hurry. Yeah. Okay, you've done it. Okay, that's great. So the rest you can do for your homework. Now this says circle the yaches with the capital letter Y. Now they have given us a couple of yaches. So we're only going to circle the yaches with the capital letter Y, right? Capital letter Y. Now have a look at this picture and find out how many capital Y can you see, right? Now let's see how many can we find it? Okay, that's great. Yeah, look at this picture. Find and count the yaches with the capital Y. How many? Yes, there are 6. There are 6 with the letter Y. So what you're going to do is you're going to circle that yach. All the yaches, right? Like this. Circle. Yes, like this. Okay. Now circle the other one. Yes, that's great. That's lovely. That's lovely. Good. And oh, I've circled this. Oh, sorry. I've circled this, so that's wrong. This is V. Sorry, I made a mistake. There, 1, 2, 3, then 4, then 5, and then 6. So you see, as I told you, this looks like V. So this is wrong. You don't have to circle this, right? Okay. You should tell me if I make a mistake, right? So, and you can color the yach later on. You can color it yellow as it shows over here, or you can color it of your own choice. And you can take the color of your own choice, your favorite color, or whatever color you like. Okay. So this was 8, and this was our literacy class in which we have traced the letter Y, and we have done the activities to further look and learn about the Y formation. How does the small y look like, and how is the capital Y looks like, right? So this was it for today's class right now, and I'm going to see you in the next class, inshallah, very soon. Till then, please stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever you have. So I'm going to see you a goodbye till we see each other soon, inshallah. Allah Hafiz. See you soon.